Oh, you thought it was going to be easy. You thought you was going to get up one day, start a business, create that LLC, let your mind wander into creating an abundance and collapsing time and building the wealth that you wanted for not only you, but your grandkids and your great-grandkids. You thought it was going to come overnight. You thought that people was going to be screaming your name overnight because of what you said, because of what you did, because of what? That sweat equity you put in there? Absolutely. It's coming. You were separated for a reason. You were not able to fit in and follow the crowd for a reason. God separated you for a reason. You have a raw, God-given talent that you refuse to use. That's not only going to pave the way for you before your lineage. You have to understand that you are unique for a reason. Don't be mad because you didn't get fit in. Don't be mad because you didn't get chosen. Don't be mad because you were overlooked. Accept that. Thank God for where you are. Thank God for that alignment of connection with your mind to understand that you needed to be separated so he can hide you to be presented for right now. Because if you're reading this or if you're watching this and if you're hearing this for the first time and you're probably saying, she talking to me and I'm talking to you, because you got to get what you deserve. And it takes being right where you are. Don't you wallow in what happened and why me. Wallow in thank God. Try me. Let's go. It's 2023. We don't got no time.
Lord, I decree and declare for every person that's been called to the mountain of media that God will allow you to begin to market yourself in such a capacity that people will sow into your vision beyond your wildest dreams. I decree and declare that Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, every social media platform that allows you to monetize your voice and your gift will yield its increase over your life. I prophesy to every content creator and every influencer that the mountain of media is bowing to the validity of your voice. I decree and declare that you will have the language needed and necessary to produce new levels of prosperity. I break the limitations off of your language. I decree that you will no longer have to know what a language barrier feels like when it comes down to wealth. You are bigger than money, but I decree and declare that God will begin to download a curriculum of strategy and resources into your mind, into your spirit. There will be a transfer throughout the generations. I prophesy that you will begin to walk into new levels of creativity. I decree that God will send new followers to your pages, to your platforms. I prophesy that people will look for you and find you and say, you're the voice, you're the beautician, you're the content creator. Come on, you're the stylist. I wish I had some people in the room. I decree and declare that they will begin to find you, seek you out, and they will help you build and establish what God has called you to do. I prophesy that 2023 will be the year for the masters. Those of us that have mastered our days of training, those of us that have mastered our days of strategy, those of us that have mastered our days of dream building and team building. I prophesy that there's a team coming to every entity of you. Whatever market or whatever mountain you've been called to, there's a team that will help you build. There's a team that will help you strategize. There's a team that will help you scale. There's a team that will help you sell. There's a team that will help you remarket. There's a team that will help you rebrand. I prophesy over your logo. I prophesy over your business ideas. I prophesy over everything, all your intellectual property. Whatever it is that God gives you, it has now become a source and a stream. And I finally decree that God will make you like Eden. One stream is not enough, but there will now be multiple streams coming in to feed your garden, and your day of plenty has now come.